Is your relationship hitting a dry spell? Or is it something more? If you're worried your girlfriend is losing sexual attraction, here are the signs to watch for and how to fix it. First, look for the patterns. Is she dodging your flirting or suddenly criticizing your appearance? Maybe she loves quality time, like movies and dinner, but avoids being alone in the bedroom. If you're always the one initiating, or if she's suddenly going to bed early every night to avoid the mismatch, it's time to pay attention. But before you panic, assess the situation. Is she stressed at work? Are you sharing the household load? Sometimes a lack of intimacy is about exhaustion, not a lack of love. The most important step, talk to her. Use I statements to avoid blame. Try, I feel a bit disconnected lately, and I miss our intimacy. This lets her share her side without feeling attacked. Try to redate her and bring back that honeymoon effort. But remember, if you've tried to bridge the gap and the spark is gone for good, it's okay to walk away. You deserve to feel desired and loved in a relationship.